So Fred and Ginger seem awfully cold. Winter has started here in North Idaho. So Sean's gonna put some straw in their little house. Hi, Fred. Hi. Hi, Fred. You're so handsome. Okay, Sean, you ready?
Where am I putting it?
Inside their little house. Hi, Ginger. Yeah, it's kind of dirty.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
We're making your house nice and warm for you. Getting them ready for winter. Sorry, oh crap, you should have wore a mask. We're warming up your house. Sean's warming up your house, Fred. And Ginger. It's gonna be nice and toasty in there. Gonna be nice and toasty. I notice you're shaking a little bit. Are you cold? Just 6 months ago, this was Fred and Ginger. I can't believe how little they were compared to now. They are ginormous. Just look how big they've gotten. So Sean's helping me. This little bugger, she's been evading our capture for a while, hiding out with the turkeys in their little area. Every time we go to catch her, she goes in their little house, the turkey house. And all we needed to do was put her little, it's all right, honey, put her little tag on her like we did the other chickens. And every year I trim their wings so that they don't fly into other areas they're not supposed to be in. But there she is. She's a little Rhode Island red girl. She thinks they're a family because, you know, they were raised together.
Yeah.
But she needs to go with the other chickens. You think you can catch her?